9th standard, class 3, drama. Now we are going to see passive to active voice. Already you have studied active voice to passive. You have studied the rules. Now how you have to change from passive to active voice, the rules you are going to see. Subject as an object. Here object as a subject you have to write, and here you have to remove the by here. In a passive voice, active to passive, you have to write by, but here in passive to active you have to remove the by and verb changes taken place. That verb means tenses taken place here. Okay, see the sentences now. First sentence, the gift is accepted by me. The gift is. Now split the sentences. The gift, it is a subject here. Is accepted is that tense, and by, it's a passive voice. Already it is written. So me, it is an object. Now bring down the object as a subject. Which one is object here? Me is the object. Now take the me here. Me will be converted into I. Then see the tense verb form here is accepted. Yeah, here past participle is applied here in passive voice. For every passive voice, past participle verb is here. Auxiliary verb is. Why are written is? Because only the gift, it's a singular form, so is accepted. It is present tense. Is a singular present tense. So you have to remove the auxiliary here in while you are writing in active voice. Remove that and write only accept. I accept, and remove the by and bring down the subject as the object, the gift. Okay, do you understand? Next sentence, second sentence. The students were disturbed by the noise. Now split the sentences. The students, it is a subject, were disturbed, it is a tense, by the noise is the object. Bring down the object as a subject. It is the noise. Now see the verb form, were disturbed. Where is here? Why are written auxiliary were? Because it is not a student. If it is a student, it is a singular. It is a student, so it is a plural form. Where is a past tense here. So you have to remove in active voice. You have to remove the where and write the past tense verb as it is. The noise, disturbed. Now bring down the subject as the object. The students. What is the answer now? The noise disturbed the students. Next, third sentence. The game was ended by them. The game. Split the sentence. The game is a subject, was ended. It is an verb form, and you have to remove the by, and them is the object. Bring down the them as a subject. Them will be considered as a they here. Only pronoun changes taken place. If it is a name of things, it's a noun, you should not change that one. If it is a pronoun, you have to change the pronoun here. Them and they, it's all the pronouns. So the pronoun taken place here was ended. You have to remove the auxiliary was. Here it's a singular past tense because the game is a singular. So was, it's a past tense verb. Remove the auxiliary here, past tense. So write the verb form as it is ended. They ended the game. It is a noun form. It's a plain thing. So they ended the game. Do you understand now? Fourth sentence now. The pipe is fitted by the plumber. Split the sentence. The pipe is the subject. Is fitted is a verb form. By, you have to remove the by in active voice. The plumber is the object. Bring down the object as a subject. The plumber. Then noun form. So you should not change any changes taken place. They write the name as it is. The plumber. The plumber. Here see what type of tense is here. Only one pipe. It's a singular present tense. Is fitted. It's a present tense. So you have to write fits. You have to see what type of tense. If it is a present tense, you have to write fits. If it is a past tense, you have to write fitted. So it is a singular present tense. You have to write the plumber fits. Remove the by in the active voice. So write the subject as an object here, the pipe. Do you understand? Now see the fifth sentence. We were permitted by a principal to go on an excursion. So split the sentence now. Be is a subject, verb permitted is a verb form. How to remove the by in active voice. Our principal is an object. To go on an excursion, it is an adjunct here. Adjunct means place, date, timing. So place, now we are going to go for a tour, so it is considered as a place. So you have to write as it is at last, or otherwise if it is a date or a day, you can write it in the beginning itself. So now bring the object as a subject or principal. It is a noun form, so no need to changes taken place here. Or principal, where permitted, where, so we is a plural form, so where permitted, it is a past tense, plural past tense. In active voice you should not write auxiliaries. Do you understand? So write that past tense form permitted, and we is considered as an object. How will you change? It's a pronoun, so we is changed into as. Do you understand? We have changed up to this as we have finished. Now the adjunct you have to write as it is, to go on an excursion. Do you understand? Now come to the sixth sentence. The crops are being cultivated by the farmers. So come on, split the sentences. The crops is a subject, are being cultivated. It is in tense form. You have to remove the by. The farmers is the object. Now bring down the object as a subject, the farmers. It is a noun form. No need changes taken place here. Only pronoun changes only taken place. So write the farmer as it is and see the tense form here, are being cultivated. If you see being, it is a continuous form. Then find out what it is. It is a present continuous or past continuous. So or, it is a present continuous form. If it is given where, it is a past continuous. So write the or here as it is. You have to remove the being in active voice. Being you have to remove, and cultivated will be changed into cultivating. Do you understand? You have to remove the being, and instead of cultivated you have to write here include the cultivate plus ing. That is a continuous tense. Continuous tense means verb plus ing. Verb plus ing is called as a continuous tense. So it is a present continuous, or cultivating is a present continuous. Do you understand? The tense changes taken place. Now bring down the subject as the object, the crop. Do you understand? Come to the next sentence. The ground was being dug by the workers. Now come on, split the sentences. The ground, it is a subject, was being dug is a tense. You have to remove the by. Next, the workers. The workers is the object. Now change the sentence. The workers, write as it is. Object is converted into subject, the workers. It is a noun form, so no need to changes taken place here. Now see the tense form. Here the ground was. The ground, it is a singular. So here it's a was you are written. It's a past tense, past continuous tense. Why I am saying it is a continuous tense? Because being is given here. So come on, change the sentence now. See the subject in an active voice, the workers. So it is a plural form. So you are writing already in question it is a past tense. So see that the workers, for past tense what you have to write auxiliary were. The workers were. Remove the being and see the verb form dug. So write dug plus ing. Dug plus ing will be converted into digging. Do you understand? Present tense dig. Past tense and past participle for dig is a dug. Do you understand? Why are written here digging, and no need of any confusion here. Do you understand? Where? Why are writing where? Again I am saying that the workers, it is a plural form. So you have to write auxiliary here where, and so you have to write dig. Dig is a present form. Verb plus ing is continuous tense. Digging. Now bring down the subject as an object. Remove the by, and the subject will be converted into object, that is a ground. Do you understand? Next, 8th sentence. Anglo-Saxon was being spoken by them at the beginning. Now come on, split the sentence. Anglo-Saxon is a subject, was being spoken is a verb form. We have to remove the by. Them is the object. At the beginning is the adjunct. Do you understand? Now bring down the object as a subject. Them will be converted into they. And see here what type of tense is given here. Here past continuous tense. So how will you change here? They is a plural form. For plural form past tense you have to write the auxiliary were. They were. Spoken will be converted into speaking. Why are writing speaking? Because you have to remove the being. So speak plus ing, speaking. And come on, write that the subject into object, Anglo-Saxon. Do you understand? Then write at the beginning as it is. Next, ninth sentence. The news was being conveyed by them. Split the sentence. The news is a subject, was being conveyed is a tense. But to remove the by, and them is the object. Object will be converted into subject. They, them will be considered as a they. Then look at here a verb form here. Was being, was is a what? It is a past tense, past continuous. Come on, change here. How you have to change? They is a plural form. For plural form, past continuous, you have to write past tense auxiliary is a where. Convey plus ing, conveying. Now change the subject as an object. The news as it is, right? As it is. Do you understand? Now come to the 10th sentence. The medal had been won by the shark team. Split the sentence. The medal is a subject. Had been won is a tense. You have to remove the by. The shark team as object. The shark team will be considered as a shark team as it is because it's a noun form. Had been won. Had is a past perfect tense. So you have to write as it is. You have to only remove that been. Easily you have to find out that in active voice you have to remove the been. Do you understand? Now after that had won, write the verb form, remove the by, and that what is that? The medal you have to write as it is. Now see the 11th sentence. The letter has been delivered by the postman. Okay, split the sentence. The letter is a subject, has been delivered is a tense form, remove the by, and the postman is an object. Now bring down the object as a subject, the postman, and write that tense what they are given has. It is a present perfect tense. So in active voice you should not write been. So write has as it is. Then you have to remove the been and you have to write that past participle verb itself delivered. Present perfect, past perfect you have to write past participle verb form here. Okay, now write that subject as object, the letter as it is. Now see the 12th sentence. 12th sentence, milk is being drunk by the cat. Now split the sentence. Milk is a subject, is being drunk is a verb form, remove the by, the cat is a object. Bring down the cat here and see that verb form is being drunk. Being, it's also a present continuous. Okay, remove the being and write the auxiliary as it is. Then drinking, bring down the subject as object here, milk. Okay, understand? The song had been sung by us. 13th sentence. Now split the sentence. The song had been sung and remove the by here as you have to change the sentence. We are already seen the 13 sentences. Now 14th and 15th you can easily identify how you have to write. Let me see that the 4th sentence. Cricket will have been played by drum. So here will have been some future perfect tense. So you have to write will as it is, have as it is. Only you have to remove been. So played and bring down the object as a subject here. You understand? Now 15th sentence. The boys have been born by the same thing as it is. You have to bring down the object as a subjective will be changed into they, and write that have means present perfect tense. Only for the plural form you have to write have. Then remove only been here in active voice for the perfect tense and write that past participle form warned, and bring down the object as a subject here, the boys. Okay, thank you.